Are you happy now? Today we are exactly day 14. Today is exactly day 14 and the indication here is lowering hairline. She wished to lower the hairline here and to fill up the area which is receded a bit for her. Now it's exactly 2 weeks again. We are looking at our work. You can see here all the graph is in place and she have healed well. The density, the direction of the hair, all is placed according to what she wants and she want to fill up here. We are extremely happy to see that she have done a wonderful graft care that you can see today. All the grafts that we planted are still there. Are you happy now? Today we are exactly day 14.
Today is day 14. I'm very happy with this hairline and I respect that to daughter very much.